So now let's see how we can work around with classic block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the plus button right here and search for classic right here, just like this. And there you go. You got the classic block right there. If I were to go around and click right here, then this is the classic block editor, as you can see right here, and you can type in whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is a sample sentence right here. And just like with the classic editor, you can go ahead and then utilize the classic editing tools right here. You can go ahead and bold this, and you can go ahead and italicize it. And let's say, for example, add in some bullet points as well. So I'm just going to go around and say point 1. Point 2 right here, just like this, and point 3 right here, just like this, point 3, and so forth. So this is what you have. You can go ahead and select it, and let's say, for example, make it bulleted or numbered list right here, and you can even go ahead and make this into a quote and then change around the paragraph structure as well. You can also go ahead right here and let's say, for example, link it out as you want and remove the link as well. So this is what you have. You can go ahead and insert out, let's say, for example, a read more tag around over here as well. So you get the more option, as you can see right here. And you can even go ahead and add in medias right here to this particular block and arrange it out according to how you want. You can even edit it out, as you can see right here, and so forth. Get the image that you want right here. And then you can simply insert it out over here on the classic block that you have right here. You can also go ahead and toggle out the other toolbar and see other options to strike through certain text right here. So you got all the text formatting like colors. You can add in horizontal line right here as well and paste it as text as well. Clear out the formattings and so forth right here. Even add in special characters as you want right here and change around the indentation according to how you want. Let's say, for example, I can go around and change around the indentation for the points that I have right here. So you can go ahead and add in headings as well, as you can see. So you can do a full formatting of, let's say, for example, a particular post right here using the classic editor. You can also go around and expand this and view the full screen mode, or maybe just minimize it out. Click on save and then the classic block is inserted, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can even convert this out to blocks right here to the modern format as well. Press Ctrl Z and it stays on the classic format mode right here. You can also go around over here and see other options. You can edit it out again as you like as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the classic block option inside of wordpress.com editing page. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.